The 1918 flu pandemic that killed millions. By History.com, adapted by Newsela staff. Published December 17, 2017. In 1918, many people suddenly got sick. Soon, millions of people all over the world were getting sick from the same illness. What made them sick was something called the flu. Doctors did not know of any medicines that would help. Many people died. After a year, the flu ended. In time, doctors learned how to protect people from the flu. Flu facts. Influenza, or flu, is a kind of virus. A virus is a very small germ that makes people sick. The flu virus affects the body's respiratory system. The respiratory system includes our lungs. It is how we breathe. The flu hurts the lungs and throat. It is easy to catch the flu if other people are sick with it. They have the virus in their body. They cough or sneeze little drops that have the virus in them. If someone else breathes in those tiny drops, they can get sick. Every year, many people get sick with the flu. Most people get better, but some have to go to the hospital. Sometimes people die because of the flu. A pandemic is what we call sickness spreading fast all across the world. A flu pandemic is what happened in 1918. In 1918, the flu virus started making people sick. Soon, millions of people all over the world were sick. Hospitals filled up. Doctors and nurses didn't know what to do. They had no drugs to make people better. The doctors and nurses got sick, too. Millions of people died. The flu takes a heavy toll on society. Stores and schools sometimes closed because so many people were sick. Theaters closed. Churches closed. Farmers had vegetables rotting in the fields because there was no one to help. Towns posted warnings. Don't shake hands. Wear gloves. Don't spit. Some towns made people wear masks over their mouths to stop the flu from spreading. The flu wiped out families. Many children lost their parents. Many parents lost their children. In the spring of 1919, the flu pandemic ended. Since those days, doctors have learned how to protect people from the flu. Almost 100 years after the pandemic, doctors learned why so many people died. The flu virus that year made people's lungs very weak. Then, they got pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that causes the lungs to fill with fluid. Pneumonia can make you very sick.